face, eyelash, body bad, oh gosh, hot girl, snake queen, when you take picture, you the big win.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl. How you guys been? Happy New Year, by the way. I hope everyone has been doing great. And yeah, today's video is basically just a makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna walk you guys through what I do. So I already filled my brows in. I'm gonna go ahead and conceal them with some concealer, as you can see. So yeah, conceal. And don't worry, it's gonna look crazy, but it's gonna be okay. It's gonna all come together. So after I concealed, I'm just gonna blend with my beauty blender. Blending is very essential in makeup. Listen, if you're not blending, you're looking like a ghost, or even worse, some type of animal. I don't know, but yeah, you want to blend. So just blend. And today we're gonna go in with the Vanessa Gyimah X Juvia's Place palette. Yes, proud black girl moment. So for my inner oh, I just had a blonde moment. For my crease, I'm going in with the color BSG Brown Skin Girl, and I'm blending that in. So yeah, blend. Exhibit A, blend. And I'm going in again with Aquia. So I'm going in with Aquia and I'm just blending her in. Okay. So for my crease, I feel like I said crease already. For my lid, I'm cutting my lid. I'm cutting my crease. Wow. Listen, I am not no makeup artist, just a girl out here trying, okay? I'm probably going to mess up the terms, but we move. You guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just cutting my crease with some concealer, and I'm going to go in with the color for the crease. I believe this is that nude right there. Oh, pinkish nude. I can't remember the name, but I'll leave it down below. You guys would know. And you just put in that there. Just pat. You don't want to drag anything. You want to pat it so that it doesn't crease up. And yeah. Doing the same for the other eye. But yeah, this year, no procrastination or less procrastination. Listen, it's so hard, but it's doable. I'm going to be on my A game this year. Amen to that. Let me hear amen. Let me get an amen. Thank you. So for my lid, my eyeliner. Listen, the eyeliner be a struggle too, but you can always clean your eyeliner with concealer to get the sharp look. I usually don't really need to go in with the concealer, but I went in with this one because I made it too big and I wanted to get it really sharp, so I used the concealer to clean it up. Listen, makeup is a hit or miss, let me tell you. One day your makeup's looking flawless, next day you're looking like you just woke up when the makeup is fresh. It's a struggle, but we move. So yeah, how you guys been? I feel like I don't have much to talk about today, but hey, we're just doing makeup today. Any interesting topics you guys might have, let me know and we'll discuss. I'll discuss. I'll sit here and talk about it all by myself. And yeah, and I'm going in again with the crease color because I felt like all that extra stuff I was doing was like minimizing the color. I'm not making the color pop. So yeah, and here I go cleaning up the liner with my concealer, and I'm blending that in too. For my inner eye, I think I went in with a pink shimmer shadow situation that I got going on there. And yeah, and I'm getting my my real lashes for my fake lashes. I'm getting my real lashes ready for my fake lashes. I usually don't use mascara, but I feel like I got shadow on my lashes, so I was trying to clean them up. That's why I use the mascara. I don't always use the mascara before I put on full lashes. And listen, the lashes in this video did not give me a hard time. Like, it was just pop right on. And I went on by my day. Or not. No, it was pretty easy to get the lashes on. I didn't have to take them off and put glue on them again and try to get them back on again. But, so yeah. So I believe after the lashes, we're gonna go in with the foundation, and yeah. I'm going in with the foundation now. I don't know, let me guys know, would you guys like better voiceovers or like actual me just talking in the video? Just let me know. Trying something new. And like I said, you always want to pat. You don't want to drag, because it's gonna, I don't know how to explain how you're gonna look if you drag your foundation all over your face. You just want to pat it in to give you that skin-like effect. You see me? You see me? You know what I'm saying? And I'm shine. Oh, yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Just patting. I told you guys it was all gonna come together. So that's what we're doing. And I went in with my beauty blender to blend as well. And I'm so sorry that I kept putting my mirror right in front of my face. I forgot I was blocking the camera, so you guys couldn't really see what I was doing sometimes. I'm gonna do better. And don't worry, the foundation is gonna oxidize, so it's not gonna stay like this, like that. It looks like it's not my color, but it is. And I'm going in with the concealer. I learned this new trick from TikTok. I've done about 3 times, but I don't think it's something I'm gonna keep doing. It does lift your face and gives you that snatched look a little bit. But I think I'm gonna stick to my traditional ways of doing the concealer. This is not bad either, but I just prefer what I've been doing better. So yeah, we're blending the concealer in. And then I'm gonna go in on my forehead, my nose. You want that nose to be snatched to the quads, okay? So that's what I'm doing. And I'm gonna blend those in as well. And I usually don't put concealer on my cheeks or under my contour. I just use the excess concealer on my beauty blender, but somehow I felt the need to use concealer this time, which is fine. Gives you the more dramatic look. And I'm gonna blend her nose. The amount of ugly faces you gotta do just to do some makeup, yo. But it's all worth it. It's all worth it. There I go again, blocking you guys' view with my mirror. And we're gonna contour. I believe that contour stick is from Juvia's Place too, in the color Congo, but I'm not sure. Listen, I'll leave all the description down below, so don't worry. We want that nose to be snatched, okay? And I'm going on my brush to blend the contour. Pat. See how I'm not dragging it? You want to pat it. And that damn pimple on my face won't let me be great. But hey, remove. We're blending the nose contour. You want to drag into your where your eyebrow starts from, to kind of give it that flow. Listen, I don't know all the makeup terms, but I hope you guys get what I'm trying to say. That's the only time that I believe it's okay to drag. Not even excessively, but, you know, some minor dragging here and there. I believe I'm going in with BSG, the brown eyeshadow color from the Vanessa Gyimah palette to set my contour. And yeah. And I'm going in some setting powder to set my highlight. And yeah. See, it's all coming along together. Did I just say it's all coming along together? It's all coming along. Sheesh, bro. I know I didn't sometimes, but we move. Damn, it's not my first language. Sheesh. It'd be a struggle out here. Girls be struggling. And I'm going in with a setting powder in all the places that I concealed. My under eye, my forehead, my cheekbone, my chin, and my nose. The same trick with the setting powder as well. You want to pat it in. You don't want to drag it. And I'm going in with the colors I used for my my crease. What's my crease? Gosh, I can't seem to get that right. I can't remember, but the first colors that I used before. Yeah, I'm going that on my under eye. And we're gonna do mascara. But first I'm prepping my lashes first with the mascara primer. I'm going in with more BSG. I use that as a bronzer as well, so. Pat, pat, pat. We're almost done, guys. Just being silly as usual. And I went in with a Quia as a blush. Yes, I love me some blush. Although I'm not used to pink blush. But learn something new every day. Do something new every day. I liked it though. And you want to blend that in as well with your beauty blender. So that's not sitting on your cheeks just like that. I'm going to set my face. And guess what I'm going to do after that? Take a wild guess. You guessed right. Blend. Just kidding. I'm just going to pat that in. So that's just not, it's not going to just be sitting on my face. I'm patting the setting spray in. Yep. And pat, 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 pat. There's a lot of repetitive steps in makeup, but it's all essential. I'm lining my lips, and the liner I use is just a dark brown liner from the Beauty Supply store. I love Beauty Supply store liners. I don't know, it's just something about them. And I'm highlighting my Cupid's bow. Is that what it's called? At this point, I'm just making stuff up. And I'm going to go in with my Naomi lip gloss from the Vanessa Gyimah collection as well. I usually don't do pink because as obvious as you guys can see, my lips are pretty pink. So I avoid using pink lip glosses most of the time. But hey, because I line my lips. This is the final look. Thank you guys for sticking with me to the end. If you like it, please comment, subscribe, and yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. YPZ out!